Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us see what are value types and what are reference types in C#. Let me define two different variables. Integer a equal to 100 and string b equal to welcome. And let me define one more variable, boolean c equal to false. Okay, these are the three different variables I have defined. And when we are executing this C# application, so in which memory these three will be stored? Okay. Before discussing that, let us discuss about two different memories available in C# execution. First one is the stack memory and second one is the heap memory. Okay. Stack memory will be used for the fixed size data. Heap memory will be used for variable length data. Suppose when we are discussing about the data types in previous videos, for some of the data types, we have discussed variable length. So suppose string is having variable length. String is not a fixed size. But when it comes to integer, it is 4 bytes. It is having fixed size. So whichever data types are having fixed size, those will be stored inside the stack. Fixed data types. Fixed data types will be stored in stack memory, and variable data types. That means unlimited size. Okay. So whichever data types are having unlimited size, those will be stored in heap memory. Whichever data types are having fixed size, those will be stored in stack memory. That's the first point. Okay. So here suppose this one is a stack, and stack memory can store only the fixed data types, right? So here we have a integer a equal to 100. So this will be directly stored inside the stack memory. So here we can see a equal to 100. Okay. And when it comes to the boolean also having 1 byte fixed data type. Okay. So here c equal to false, and like this the fixed data types will be stored inside the stack memory. And next one is the heap memory. Let us think this is a heap memory. Okay. Inside this heap memory, variable data types will be stored. Okay. That is unlimited data types. For that, suppose here we have a string. String is a unlimited size. String is having unlimited size. That means variable in length. Here we have a b equal to welcome. So this welcome message will be stored inside the heap memory. So that's the welcome message. So every heap memory will have address. Suppose this welcome is stored at 200 address. That's the 200 is the address of this welcome message stored in heap. This 200 will be stored inside b. That means b equal to 200. Okay, like that. So now let us see. So when you are printing a, it will directly go to the stack memory and it will read this value 100 and it will print onto the console. Okay, if you want to print this. When it comes to the b, that means string data type, first it should go to the stack memory, and from the stack memory it should read the address first. Using that address, it will go to the heap memory. So this is the heap memory address. Using this memory address, it will try to find the message and it will returns back that message to this variable when you are reading it. Okay. This is the lengthy process. That means whatever that data you are storing in stack are faster in execution. So the data you are storing in heap is little bit slower compared to stack. Okay, so that's the difference between value types and reference types. Let us look at the theory part of it. Data types are divided into two different categories in C#. First one is the value types and second one is the reference types. Here you can see value types stores the data on stack memory, which is a data structure which holds data in fixed length such as integer, float, character and boolean, like that. And stack works on a principle first in last out or last in first out. If you store the variable into the stack, you can read that as a last variable. Okay, that's the stack principle. The variable which comes into stack first can be cleared only last. Stack memory is under the operating system control, which does not provide any automatic memory management, but it is very faster while you are accessing the values. While executing, every program will have its own stack and it will not share that with any other program. So these are the value types. Value types will have fixed size and value types will store in stack memory. And these are the reference types. Reference types are stored on heap memory, which is the other place where data can be stored. We have seen just now. C# supports two predefined reference types in .NET. Here you can see predefined. So object and string are predefined reference types. But when it comes to the custom defined types, all the arrays, collections and classes, all these are also reference types, but they will comes under the user defined data types. Okay. When it comes to the primitive or predefined data types, object and string comes under the reference types. The heap is now more managed and called as a managed heap. This will be under the control of garbage collector. Okay. All variable length types comes under reference types only. So string comes under reference type, object comes under reference type, and the class comes under reference type, arrays comes under reference type, and collections also comes under reference types. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.